Alright guys, here it is. This is my first purchase from a funeral home supply company, and I actually ordered some cosmetic items. So let's get in this box. These are the items that I purchased. I got the Restore Skin Neutral Flesh Kit, a light and dark cover-up kit, a few brushes, some drying powder, glow tint, and a powder blower. I'm so excited. Alright, well here's our powder blower, and I'm going to open that up later. Let's see, this is a drying powder, and this is to be used to dry foundations. And my favorite, glow tint. I'm in love with glow tint. Restore Skin, I have never tried this before, but we're going to today. And then these are the light kits. This is the COVERUP light kit, and here is the COVERUP dark kit. These are my favorites also. You can do so much with them. Alright, I unboxed everything, and here's just a little presentation. Got my powder blower, drying powder, my COVERUP creams. Oh wait, the drying powder. I don't know why the video is so shaky, but you know what? We're gonna go with it because it took me a while to record this. So we're just rolling with the punches. Here are the COVERUP creams. They have different colors. You see that they have flesh, natural, suntan, medium lip, brunette, dark lip, black, peach, medium brown. They have a good variety of colors to offer natural and neutral looks. And here's my baby. I freaking love glow tint. If I was never introduced to glow tint, I don't know where I would be in my career. It helps so much. And this is Restore Skin. So basically it's a spray, and it's similar to a spray paint, but it's supposed to help cover up bruises, discolorations, and burns, because those can be pretty hard to cover up with just foundation. And then here are a few brushes that I got. The lighter color brush is a wax brush. I didn't purchase any wax to show you, so we'll do that at a later time. And then the red sable brush, and then my lip brush. Alright, here's my mannequin that I'm going to show how the Restore... Sorry, lady. Restore Skin Neutral Flesh. So I'm going to spray it on these color spots. That's what those are, because I use it to color my wig. You see those cute little eyes down there? My kids drew them. Anyway, I'm going to spray the mannequin to just show you how it works. This is my first time using it too, so this is a surprise for everybody. So I'm starting to spray, and then I'm noticing that it's disintegrating. My styrofoam wig head. So I just, as you can see, I knew that, but I just wanted to spray it anyway, but it happened so quickly. That just caught me off guard. Anyway, let's try it again on my other mannequin. She's more of a silicone based mannequin, and so I decided I'm gonna spray half the face so I can have a multi-tone face and show different things on different skin complexions. So let's go. And I started to notice that it was bubbling up, and I was like, please don't eat up the material like it did on the styrofoam wig head. And I just crossed my fingers. I mean, I can always order another one, but you have to go through the process, and I just crossed my fingers at this point. So as you can see, it did cover it up, thank goodness. And it's really smooth. Sorry that the camera is cloudy because there's still spray residual in the air, because I did not do this in a well ventilated area. And here's my glow tint. I'm going to put glow tint on what I previously just painted and also on the unpainted side. You'll be able to see a small difference. It's a lot more visual. You can see it more in person, but it did change the tone a little bit. It added a redness. And I just want to let you know, if you do leave the glow tint on in one place for too long, it will stain it. So you'll have to cover it up with COVERUP cream. This is the COVERUP Light Kit, and I just want to show you the consistency of it. It's really smooth, but it's a very heavy base. And I just wanted to demonstrate in my fingers, like you can still see that it's really thick. So now I'm going to do a neutral flesh color on our neutral flesh side. And I like to mix colors. You can go with an undertone and then mix it with a more prominent color. Soft pink is my prominent color and the yellow is my undertone. And I like to use my lid to mix it because I don't have extra palettes or anything. And typically when we're at work at the funeral home, this is what I do anyway. So as you can see, it really covers up the spray that I just did, and it helps blend it in and gives it more of a flesh tone appearance. With the COVERUP Dark Kit, I'm going to do our unpainted side. And to be quite honest, it is harder to make custom colors for ethnic skin. So, it may be a trial and error, but mix as much as you can before you apply it on their face. And try to get as close as you can to their complexion. So sometimes I have to mix 2 to 3 colors together just to get one color that's complementary to the person's skin that I'm servicing. So I think I may have got close enough. And this is just for demonstration, just to be able to show you how this COVERUP cream works. You can use it in small amounts, in small areas, or like I did on our mannequin here, you can do the full face. And I just want to stress, make sure that you get their ears, the outside and the inside, especially on the viewing side, because depending on their hairstyle, you never know who will see it. And when people do come to see their loved ones, I've had people who thoroughly analyze their loved ones. So try to get as much detail as you can when applying the makeup, because people may notice. I know my OCD people are probably tripping about this line of demarcation between the colors. Don't come for me. Yeah, I was tripping too. Anyway, here is our drying powder. This is my first time using this also, and I've never used a powder blower, so I was like really excited. So you just fill it up, and I'm testing it to make sure it works, and it does. You can see how fine the mist is. Like this. I'm just gonna spray it over the mannequin. And I'm gonna be a little thorough. I'm not gonna spray too much at first because I don't know what the results will be, but it came out pretty good. It's not as shiny and greasy as it was before, and it sets the powder in. Now I'm going to demonstrate the 6-in-1 COVERUP kits to show you that you can use it for lipsticks or eyeliners. I normally like to line my lips before, but I really just threw all this stuff together just to give you a presentation. But as you can see, this works well for a lot of complexions. And I'm just going to show you that you can use the black as an eyeliner. And this is not an eyeliner brush. This is my lip brush, but that's all I had because I'm at home, not at work. So I just wanted to show you that you can use the black for eyeliner, or you can use it with a Q-tip and kind of shade in their eyelashes to make it a little bit more defined. But that's all I have for the kit today. I hope you're excited as I was, because I was like really thrilled to be able to make my own purchase, first of all, and second of all, to share it with you. If you've ever been interested in mortuary cosmetology, or you're wanting to further your career, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, comments, topics, anything that's related to the mortuary world, leave me a comment below. Alright guys, see you next video. Bye.